In this Loophole to Profits review, I'm going to be showing you a cloud-based software that's going to allow you to tap into an online money-making method that's currently making the creators $173 per day passively. And make sure you stay to the end of this review, as I'm also going to be showing you all the different OTOs and upgrades and how you can get a discount on every single one of them. If you're new to my channel, my name is Mike Thomas. I'm a seven-figure affiliate marketer. I do these reviews every single day so that you can get the best deals on upcoming software and courses. If at any point during this review you want to take a look at Loophole to Profits, just go ahead and click the link below. Also, please like this video as it really helps out with my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. Last thing before we jump in here, I just want to show you my bonus page. I've got a ton of extra bonuses here that you're going to be getting for free if you purchase this through my link. All these bonuses will be waiting for you inside of Warrior Plus after you purchase through my link. Okay, let's take a look at the sales page here together. It says, "Psst, we found a loophole inside a $386 billion company that makes us $173 per day passively. We're revealing it all on how to take advantage ASAP." So they say it takes 10 minutes a day. All the traffic is included. It's weird, but it works, and it works in any niche. So they don't really talk about what the product is on the sales page. It's called blind sales copy. They get you excited about and interested in it, but they don't tell you what it is. But you know me, I will tell you exactly what it is. So, and I'm going to actually show you a demo of that as well. But what this is essentially, it's a cloud-based software that will create done for you, really simple Amazon affiliate page links for you so that you can get cookied in, meaning that you'll get credit for the affiliate sale and you'll make money on any purchase that people make within 24 hours of them clicking on your link. So essentially, you could have them click on a link for something where they buy a, I don't know, 25-cent toothpick. And if they go and buy that, like click on your link for toothpick, and then they decide, oh, I want to get an iPhone. Well, not only are you going to get the commission for the toothpick, but you also get the commission for the iPhone as well. And anything else that they purchase. This is great for people that are like around holiday times, when people are doing big shopping, when people are searching for birthday gifts and whatever. If you've got friends that you know are shopping on Amazon, why not share your link with them? If someone says, oh, I'm interested in getting an iPhone, say, hey, I've got this link for you. If you're going to get it, if you don't mind, get it through my link and I'll get a commission for it. You won't pay any more, but I'll make money. Like most people will say, okay, sure. If it's not going to cost anymore, just give me the link. But they also have built-in traffic in this. I'll show you how that traffic works. Yeah, that's how the exact method works here. Now, if we look at the sales page, of course, they've got like proof here. It says you don't have to do any videos. You don't have to do any like work. They've got all this proof here. They say that people have made money with this. I can't verify any of this. They're saying that all these people are getting all these clicks and making all these sales with this. I can't verify that. But like I tell you guys most of the time, don't make your purchase based upon the fancy screenshots that you see on these sales pages. Make your purchase based upon the fact, like, does the idea of this product excite you? Would you use this in your business? Would you use this as a way of making some extra money? Right? So like, that's what you should be thinking about this. If we go down here, blah, 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 sales page stuff, you get access to the pro version here. It says you get access to the app, the inside the mastermind group with this, everything, all that included here on the front end offer. And it's going to be a very low price once you get to the sales page. So a very low price product. And yeah, the way they'll make their money is on the upgrades, which I'll show you in a second here. So that's the front end product. I'm going to play you a quick little demo video, something again that you're not going to see anyone else showing you because it's not included inside. It's actually inside the product that I took this out of so I can show it to you. I'm going to show you what the actual product does. Then I'm going to come back and talk a little bit about the traffic methods and the OTOs. Okay, see you in a second.
Hello and welcome to Loophole to Profits. In this video we are going to show the main features, how you can create your campaign and what's the main functionality of the tool. So let's start by going to campaigns and we are going to create a new one. As you can see, it's a very short form, so it's pretty simple to create your first page. So I'm going to tell this is going to be about iPhones. So that's my store name, and now you need to enter a keyword. The keyword can be anything related to a product or a service that you can find on Amazon. If you already upgrade for the Done For You campaigns, you should see the best keywords, the most searched keywords already created for you. So let's go and try something like, alright, now here is the main and most important field that you need to have. This is the Amazon affiliate ID, right? So if you don't have an account yet, you need to go to this address, to the affiliate-program.amazon.com URL, and create your account. Now I already have my account created, so I'm going to show you where you can find your Amazon affiliate ID. So after creating your account, go and sign in. I'm just going to sign in here. And once it's done, you should be able to find your affiliate ID on the top right corner. So in this case, this is my affiliate ID. So you need to copy everything, including the dash and the number. And you're going to paste it here. Okay, so I'm going to save this. Alright, so let's go and search for our new campaign. This is the one. I'm going to click here to view the page created. And as you can see, automatically it's already filled with a bunch of products related to the keyword iPhone. You have the option to load more. It looks like a pretty basic store page, one page, but in all our tests, this is the one with more conversion. Alright, so once you are here, if the user click on any of these ones, it's going to be redirected to the product page. Now, this is the important part, because you are sending your link, your affiliate ID. That means that even if they don't buy that product immediately, your cookie is going to be saved on the computer of the visitor, and anything that they buy, even if it's not this particular product, you are going to receive a commission. Alright, so that's how you can create your campaign. Now, from here you can edit or you can delete it, and then once you have your campaign created, it's time to start bringing some traffic. So for that, you're going to go to instant traffic, and probably you already know this module if you own one of our other products. From here, you just select your campaign and you start sharing on these social networks. If you have the Pro version, you should see way more options here. If you have just the basic, this is the one. I recommend you to upgrade to the Pro version. The Pro version, which is the premium version, includes also the ability to send the visitor directly to the Add to Cart page. So that is really good because it increased the conversion even more. Now let's see what else. The premium version have the option to customize the store, change color, change button's name. You have more flexibility on the look and feel of your store. Alright, so that's how it works. That's how you can create a campaign. And if you have on any of the upgrades, I'm going to start showing in the next videos how to use the Done For You campaigns and the Done For You leads. Thank you.
Okay, so this is again the dashboard that you just saw there. The traffic that they give you with this, the instant traffic, you go here and you share your campaigns on these different these social sites here that they have. So I mean, it's convenient, but again, I mean, I don't know how sharing on Evernote is going to bring you in traffic. Like sharing on Facebook, I get it, yes. Sharing on different social networks, maybe doing a blogger post or whatever. But just know that some of these traffic methods are going to be better than others. So let's take a look at the OTOs you're going to be offered here. So the first one is unlimited for 1,000 times more buyer traffic and profits in just one click. So it takes off the limitations that you have on the front end. From watching the video with Brendan, it says that you get on the front end, you get 20 searches. I think maybe it's 20 searches a day or whatever it is, but you get 20 searches with that. With this, you get unlimited and you get all these extra things with this. So this is the first upgrade, but I want to show you something and pay attention. And I'll make less money by showing this to you, but I want to make sure that you see this. So what you can do is if you click on no thanks, you can get a discount on this. So click on no thanks and you get a $20 discount off of the software here. So make sure that you do that for that first upgrade. Here's the next one. This is done for you. It says done for you traffic and unlimited free profits or something. I don't know. It's a done for you upgrade with this. But what you want to do with this one as well is you want to go in there and you want to click on the no thanks one here, and that should give you a discount as well. So just make sure you do that and check that out. Next one here is unlimited free traffic. With this one, this should be a ability to put a retargeting pixel. I believe that's what this one is. Make sure you do the no thanks to get a potential discount. And the last one is resell license. So you can sell this as your own product and keep 100% of the profits. Now, all these OTOs and upgrades, completely optional. Pick and choose which ones you want and which ones you don't. Never feel like you have to get any of them. They're just completely optional. You don't need to get them to make the front end product that you see on the sales page work. So what do I like about Loophole to Profits and what don't I like about it? If I had to say something that I don't like about it, you know, it's hypey sales page with all kinds of crazy proof that I'm unable to verify on it. It might be true, it might not be true. I can't tell you that. I can't verify all that there. I don't know who those people are. So it's tough for me to say that to you. But like I said before, if you're going to purchase this purchase it based upon what it does and not based upon some fancy income proof. What do I like about it? I think that getting your cookie in on Amazon is always a great idea. Being able to get people to click on your link and be able to cookie yourself in so that you can make money for those first 24 hours on every single thing that they buy is great. So you want to be doing that, especially around the holiday season. Like I said before, if you've got people with birthdays coming up, just send them over your link and just say, hey, I know you're going to be shopping anyways. You might as well I'll make a commission from it. Tell them that you'll take them out to dinner or whatever as well. I mean, there's ways to really make money from Amazon. Everyone's using it. You might as well be making commissions from it. Thank you so much for checking out my review today. If you want to take a look at Loophole to Profits, go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video as it really helps out with my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And if you're still watching, hit that subscribe button and bell notification. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again in my next review video. Thanks.